Number 56, let's simplify the expression. We have 4 times the square root of 5 minus 6 times the square root of 45 plus the square root of 80. So because we're adding and subtracting here, let's go ahead and break each of these radicals up into good stuff, bad stuff right off the bat, and then we'll see what happens here. So plus, good stuff, bad stuff. All right, 5. Is 5 a perfect square? Nope, but can we break it into good stuff, bad stuff? No, I don't think so, because there is no perfect square that we can multiply by something else to give us 5, which means all of it is bad. There is no good. 45. Is 45 a perfect square? Nope. But what's the largest perfect square that we can multiply by something else to give us 45? Well, I think 9 times 5 will give us 45. And how about square root of 80? Is 80 a perfect square? No, I don't think so. So what's the largest perfect square we can multiply by something else to give us 80? Well, I think 16 times 5 will give us 80. 16 is the largest perfect square. That goes into 80. And so there we have it. We've broken up into good stuff, bad stuff. Now let's see what happens. Well, we have 4 times the square root of 5. Remember, there was no good stuff, so nothing can come out of that good stuff radical. So we just have 4 square root of 5 minus 6. And here, remember, what's under the good radical comes out free, clean, and clear. But if there's something on the outside, you have to multiply whatever comes out of the good stuff radical by what was already there. So in this case, when that 3 comes out, we have to multiply it by what was already there. Rewrite your bad stuff. Plus, and 16 under the good radical comes out as a 4 radical 5. All right, let's go ahead and clean this up a little. So we have 4 square root of 5 minus 18 square root of 5 plus 4 square root 5. We want to see if we can combine like terms here. Remember, in order for a radical to be a like term with another radical, it has to have the exact same index. In this case, they're all 2's rather. And what's under the radical, the radicand, has to be identical. And in this case, all 3 are 5. So yep, these are all like terms. So we have 4 minus 18 is negative 14. Negative 14 plus 4 is negative 10. And so we end up with negative 10 radical 5 for 56.